Good morning, I'm Nico and welcome to Ayana, Jakarta, to our new Close Deals Faster workshop. I'm really excited to welcome new sales professionals who are willing to spend less time in meeting with prospects and more time closing with real clients. During this workshop, you will know three different things. First, how to understand your client and how to pitch to them. Not by selling your products or services or even company, but by finding solutions to their problems and their pains. The second one, you will learn techniques and the method how to handle objections, questions, negotiations, all these things that will stop you from closing a deal. And finally, all the other techniques that will make an impact to your clients. Clients will remember you, will remember your company, products and services. If you would like to know more, please come and follow me now. Today's workshop, what we will do is several things. One of the things I would like you to start doing is changing the mindset. Some of you have been in sales maybe for a long time. You have your techniques, you have your own things. So we will see new things that probably you said that, oh, that's new, I'm not sure that will work with my industry, with my clients and everything. But the good thing is I will prove it to you. I will not just say it, but you will experience the changes. So for that part will be really interactive. And this is what we will try to start breaking down, this mindset. These mindsets are quite important because somebody or someone in your life or the industry have told you, and you are following these rules, this is the way you sell. When you go and come to the new company and when they're trying to explain the product, they will say to you, your manager will say to you, this is the way you sell. But we are really in a disruptive era now. You guys are coming from digital. The rules are not that clear anymore. Your competition is getting harder, bigger, new players coming every single day. Following the rules, or not following the rules, sorry, being in the box doesn't make any difference anymore. Because 99% of your people will be in the box. But the 1% being outside will be the one that probably will have an advantage on this one. The first part of this meeting is called winning pitch. How to have this impressive small pitch presentation of your products that you engage your customers. And they look at you and say, that's really interesting. I don't know about that. Can you help me? But before we do that, it's time for you to start your first activity of the day.
Hello, my name is Tommy. I'm from FF company, and today's seminar is very good. I got a lot of things, the insight about how to be a good sales, how to deal more faster, and yeah, it's very enjoyable. And you guys should join too this seminar.
Hello, my name is Putri from Asian Tigers, and then I joined today training. The training is very interesting. It's about sales, to be closer, more deal about the sales, and then the speaker is Nico, and then his explanation is very clear, and it was all fun with all the audience. And then you have to try for the next trainers. Let's come together. Let's join us.
Yes, thank you very much. That was a very good workshop, very informative. The techniques that were shared to us I deem very, very useful. And Nico was brief. and direct and concise. So I find that everything was clear. So that was good job.
Hai, saya Audrey dari Asian Tiger. Saya merasa beruntung banget dapat opportunity untuk training di sini karena Nico juga sebagai trainernya sangat memberi banyak ilmu yang berguna buat saya sebagai orang yang bekerja di bidang sales. Jadi ini bagus banget. Thank you Econit karena udah kasih informasi ke kami untuk ikutan belajar, ikutan training di hari ini. Thank you ya. Kalau ada training-training lainnya, kita pasti ikutan lagi. Thank you banget.